Strengthening immunity against the kurna virus. The immune system can be strengthened through a number of healthy habits and foods, which we will mention in this video. How does the immune system work in the human body? When the body senses foreign substances, called antigens, the immune system recognizes the antigens, and then removes them. Lymphocytes make antibodies. These specialized proteins bind to specific antigens, where the antibodies remain in the human body. That way, if the immune system encounters this antigen again, the antibodies are ready to do their job. This is the reason why a person who is exposed to a disease such as chickenpox, when infected for the first time, a person cannot be infected with it again. Strengthening immunity against influenza. Strong immunity these days is of paramount importance to human health more than ever before, and it is very important to maintain and strengthen the immune system so that it can fight viruses, which you may be exposed to, and this is done through get enough sleep. Exercising regularly. Take vitamin C. Stay away from gatherings and infected people. Strengthening the immune system with herbs. With regard to strengthening the immune system, some specialist doctors have found, after doing a number of scientific researches, that the compounds found in herbs and nutritional supplements have great benefits in strengthening the immune system in the human body. Among these herbs, for example, garlic, astragalus, artichoke, ginseng, green tea, black cumin, and licorice. How to strengthen immunity in adults. As a person ages, the immune response decreases, which in turn contributes to more infections and diseases. Therefore, it is advised to adhere to the following general tips to strengthen immunity. Dietary regimens to treat immunodeficiency. There are some healthy foods that will help the human body keep the immune system strong. If you want to have a strong body that resists diseases such as colds and flu, then you only have to eat nutritious meals, including elements that work to strengthen the immune system in your body, and these healthy foods. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, tangerines and lemons, as these citrus fruits help build the human body's immune system. Vitamin C is believed to increase the production of white blood cells. This is the key to fighting infection. Yogurt. Yogurt can also be a great source of vitamin D, which in turn helps regulate the immune system and is believed to boost the body's natural defenses against diseases. Spinach. It is not only rich in vitamin C, rather, it is packed with many antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may increase the ability of our immune systems to fight infections. Garlic. Garlic's immune-boosting properties seem to come from a dense concentration of sulfur-containing compounds, such as allicin. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient that many people turn to after an illness. Ginger may help reduce inflammation, such as sore throats and other inflammatory diseases. It also works to reduce nausea. Almonds. Like nuts and almonds, they are full of vitamins and also contain healthy fats. 1/2 cup of nuts, which contain about 46 shelled almonds, provide nearly 100% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin E. Turmeric. It is considered a good anti-inflammatory. Causes of weak immunity. The reasons that lead to the weakening of the immune system, as it is not able to cope with diseases such as viruses and other things, and we will mention them with the habits and foods that cause weak immunity in the elderly. The cause of weak immunity in adults. As you age, your immune system becomes less effective as well. The following immune system changes may occur. The immune system becomes more slow to respond. This increases the risk of developing disease. Flu vaccines or other vaccines may not work as well or protect you for the expected duration. An autoimmune disorder may develop. This is a disease in which the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys healthy body tissues. Your body may heal more slowly. There are fewer immune cells in the body to heal. The immune system's ability to detect and correct cell defects also decreases. This can increase the risk of developing cancer. Alcohol damages the body. Alcohol suppresses the immune system in the human body, so it is preferable to drink it in moderation, or even not drink it at all. Men can have up to 2 alcoholic drinks per day. A woman should not eat more than 1. The possibility of consuming alcohol depends on other factors, for example general health and the risk of developing a disease. Ask your doctor whether it is safe to drink an alcoholic drink occasionally, and if so, what is the safe amount for you? Habits and food that cause weak immunity. Lots of habits and foods can affect or weaken the immune system, for example, smoking, not getting enough sleep, eat harmful foods, such as industrial or canned foods, or foods high in sugar, decreased intake of vegetables and fruits, insufficient exercise or exercise. Stress and tension. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a large family of viruses that may cause disease in animals or humans. In humans, it is known that many coronaviruses cause respiratory infections, which range from colds to more severe diseases, such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS) and Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS). And the most recent newly discovered coronavirus is COVID-19. After how many days do the symptoms of corona appear? The incubation period is the period that extends between catching the virus and the onset of symptoms of corona. Most estimates of the incubation period for a new COVID range from 1 to 14 days, and the most common is around 5 days. What are the symptoms of corona? According to the World Health Organization, the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, fatigue and a dry cough. Some patients may also experience a runny nose, sore throat, nasal congestion, pain or diarrhea. Coronavirus prevention methods: maintaining general hygiene, washing hands regularly, and for a period of at least 20 seconds. Keep an appropriate distance from the people around you, approximately 1 meter, 3 feet. Avoid touching the mouth, nose and eyes. Practice healthy breathing habits. Here we mean covering the mouth and nose with an elbow or tissue when coughing or sneezing. Then dispose of used tissues immediately. If you experience any of the symptoms, such as a fever, cough, and trouble breathing, seek medical attention early. Coronavirus cure rate: epidemiologists say that the cure rates for COVID-19 will not be clear until the outbreak ends. From serious to light condition,